Did you know the European Commission has released a draft update of Annex 11? If you work in pharma, biotech, or devices, this is big. Annex 11 governs computerized systems in GMP, and this draft reshapes compliance. Hi, I'm Hostname. Welcome to Pharmalytics, your trusted partner for pharma regulatory insight and exam prep. If you work in QA, RA, CSV, or IT in pharma, this video will give a practical breakdown of what's new and what to do next. Quick refresher, Annex 11, 2011, set the baseline for computerized system validation, data integrity, audit trails, security, and risk management. It became the foundation for digital compliance. But the tech landscape has changed a lot since 2011. Why update now? Cloud computing, AI ML, IoT and Industry 4.0, plus remote access and rising cybersecurity threats. The 2011 text doesn't fully address those risks, so the 2025 draft fills the gaps. Here are the main changes in the draft, condensed to practical takeaways. A. Cloud and SaaS, stronger vendor management and shared responsibility models. Data ownership must remain with the regulated company, even when data sits in the cloud. B. Cybersecurity, dedicated sections on cyber risk assessments, monitoring, and incident response. Encryption and secure authentication are emphasized as mandatory controls. C. AI and ML, new requirements for validation and lifecycle control of algorithms used in GMP. You must show explainability, reproducibility, and evidence of control for AI-driven decisions. D. Remote access, clearer guidance. Remote admin must be documented, controlled, and validated. This includes remote audits and monitoring workflows. E. Data integrity, stricter expectations on audit trails, metadata capture, and hybrid systems. The draft encourages real-time monitoring of data changes and integrity checks. F. Supplier and vendor oversight, more focus on third-party software providers and their GMP processes. Expect expanded supplier qualification, audits, and contractual clauses for cloud and AI vendors. Quick comparison. Here's how the 2011 Annex 11 stacks up against the 2025 draft. Cloud, minimal coverage in 2011. Detailed guidance, data ownership, and vendor control in 2025. Cybersecurity, from general security to a dedicated cyber risks and incident response section. AI ML, not addressed in 2011, now rules for validation and transparency. Remote access, stronger data integrity controls, and expanded vendor management are all clarified in the draft. Impact. Companies must update CSV, data integrity strategies, invest in cybersecurity and cloud compliance, and revise SOPs. Expect tighter collaboration between QA, RA, IT, and vendors. Plan now rather than react later. The draft Annex 11 is a transformation for digital-first pharma compliance. If you're in QA, RA, IT, or validation, start preparing now. We'll keep you updated when the final text is released. Question: which will impact industry most? Cloud, AI, or cybersecurity? Comment below and subscribe to Pharmalytics.